Look, here comes Prospect. What are you doing with the book bag? In my bag, I have a couple of weapons. I have about 5, so you might need it. Want to see some of my weapons? Sure. I have 1 pistol, 2 sniper rifles, and 2 machine guns. Case closed. And back into my cap. Well done, Squidward. Well done. Thank you. Now get in the cab. Here we are, the freight yard. Hey, where's Darwin? He got killed by that drunk taxi driver. Oh. Man, this yard is flooded. They have BNSFs. They have Union Pacifics. They have a Northwestern Operational Lifesaver Unit. Santa Fe train. Santa Fe's. Don't you mean the mighty Santa Fe? Yes, of course. How can you tell? I don't know. Oh look, there's a Rio Grande. No way. Conrail Operational Lifesaver Unit? Don't even go there. Norfolk Southern Operational Lifesaver Unit. So wait a second. We have like about 3 Operational Lifesaver Units? Yeah. CNW, CR, and NS. Duh. Have you seen the SP yet? Oh look. There's a 1998 Thunder Pacific. And look, there's a Conrail Quality. A 1996 CSX unit. A CP unit. Chester System. And Soul. NS. CSX. Conrail. And Canadian National. Oh my goodness. Which one are you going for? But who wins first? I would say, which one do you think wins first, Squidward? I would say Southern Pacific. Who do you think wins? What's your name again? Henry. Henry, what do you go with? NS Crop. Don't shoot me, but I swear not to say that. Okay, Carl, what do you go with? CSX. And Stinky Pete, what do you go with? Union Pacific. Let's take the Union Pacific. Sure, not bad. Bad. And it seems to me that they were just finishing loading the train. So, let's see. Ouch. So, yeah, let's see. We have 1 unit, Union Pacific, 2003, lots of freight cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like about 9 freight cars to deliver in 1 caboose equals to 10 freight cars. Someone in there? I don't think. Can we try? Let's just go in there anyway. In the train cab. Dudes, look what I found. Open it! See what's inside! Money. Aww. pizza, the dark one, and pizza, fish cutter patty, and a Krabby Patty. And one big piece of chicken. My favorite. Get off of that! Ah! I'm so sorry. Don't throw that luggage. When we find money around this train, we're going to keep it. Cool. Alright, who's gonna drive the train? Good. Now get into the control of the train. Well, while Squidward, Henry, and I grab our lunch. Carl? What? You threw our lunch to the ground. Oh. So here we all are, tired, hungry, nothing to eat. Time for school, Patrick. Okay. Whoa, Patrick. Yeah? What do you have in your backpack? I have chicken, cash, and a sword. What the? You come with the sword? You're gonna kill a teacher? What? Maybe. Patrick, you should put that thing away. No way, buddy. I'm gonna kill some people in this trolley car. Patrick, no! No! Meanwhile, in the Union Pacific freight train, What's wrong, Stinky Pete? Well, the throttle's stuck again. Realize we are going faster and faster. Yeah. Dun. Holy! Stinky Pete! What's going on, Wally? I think it's flooded. Everybody, out now! Everybody, jump now! We are live here at San Francisco, California, Lego City. just as today, 4 criminals started to get in the Union Pacific train, and it's going to crash into the trolley car in 2 minutes. So, once again, in the second car, it is carrying flammable chemicals. And the boxcar is a nuclear weapon. So, everybody evacuate the city before it can cause evacuation death. Ed, I think I know what to do here. Oh, man. How do I ever get out of here? My fat head's too... Stop! Wait, where's the lunch? Oh my gosh, will you forget about it? Okay. Sheesh.
There are hundreds of brand new products every day, and they're delivered lightning fast right to your door.
Train. Shoot them, Skips. Wait, what's... I think that's a backpack full of weapons. Hey, I used to have those when I was a kid, but fake. Now come on, get them in. Oh my goodness. Would they ever change their minds to be a good Lego citizens? I don't know, we'll just have to see. Can you please take them in the car and get that backpack off of that guy and take them into the prison cell? I'm sorry, sir. I can take them in the car, but I can't put them in this prison cell. Why not? 'Cause you heard the explosion, right? No. I think it was with my ex-wife.